Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the sort replies on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, click on the Bluesky application, enter it, then click on these three lines up here, and next go to the settings. Here you will find content and media, click on it. Now as you see here you will find three preferences. So click on it and then you will find here sort replies, so you can add hot replies first, oldest replies first, newest replies, so as you like. So that's how to manage the sort replies on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.